Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung refrigerator, freezer door gasket. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new freezer door gasket. The freezer door gasket seals up the freezer section in the refrigerator. The main reason you'd be changing it out if it's damaged and it's allowing warm air to leak in, causing ice to build up, or it's not allowing the freezer to get down to the correct temperature. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the freezer door. Once you have the door open, we have access to the freezer door gasket. It's just pushed into a channel around the door. So we're just going to grab it and pull it out. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the whole door. Once you have it off, you can pull it off the refrigerator. Here's the old freezer door gasket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Sometimes they come creased from the manufacturer, so you can lay them in the sun or run them under some hot water to loosen those up before you put it on. To put the new gasket on, you just have to line this rib up with the channel on the door and push it in. Just want to start at a corner and get it started. Once you have it started, you can go around the whole door. Once you have it installed, if there's any parts that aren't smooth, you can grab a hair dryer and put it on the low heat and don't get too close, but you can heat this up and get the creases to release. Once you have all the creases out, we can close the freezer door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.